Hello students, welcome back. Today I am going to explain you other elements of HTML form. Let us start with the input element. The input element represents a type data field associated with a control that allows user to edit its value. This element is capable of providing many different types of field according to the value present in the type attribute. The input elements are used to insert various fields like radio button, text box and checkbox to the form. The tag input, opening input and closing input is used to implement input element. The input tag has different attributes like type, name and value. First one is a type attribute. Type attribute of the input element specify the field that is to be created in the form. Example, if you create a text field in the form, so you have to write input type equal to text, it means text is field. Second attribute is a name attribute. Name attribute is specify the name to be used for the field in the form. Name attribute means it shows the name of the text field or a radio button. Third attribute is a value attribute. Value attribute specify the default value of the field in the form. Now we will be learn about different values of attribute and its uses. First, radio. A radio select input allows a user a specific amount of option to select from. You can think of this like a multiple choice select. The user can only select one of the option. Example, input type equal to radio, name equal to variable and value equal to text. Now second one is a checkbox. A checkbox is exactly what it sounds like. It's a box that you can click and it can be checked or unchecked. When the checkbox is checked, you are setting the checkbox to true. Example, input type equal to checkbox, name equal to variable and value equal to text. Third one is a text. The text box input is used to capture text such as a name, email, address or any other type of a text. Example, input type equal to text, name equal to variable, value equal to text. Fourth one is a password. The password input is essentially the same thing as the text box input. However, it does not show the text as a user types. Example, input type equal to password, name equal to variable. Fifth one, submit. Lastly, we are going to need a way to submit our form with all the data. Example, input type equal to submit, value equal to label. Sixth one, reset. On clicking the reset button, the value of the data in the form are cleared. Example, input type equal to reset, value equal to label. So I hope you have understand this topic. Thank you.